destroyers in space, black holes reign supreme. Born from the collapse of massive stars, they become gravitational monsters, consuming everything in their vicinity. But what if the collapse of a star didn't create a black hole? What if something even stranger formed instead? This is where the theory of the Gravastar comes in. Gravastar stands for gravitational vacuum star. Imagine an object where the laws of physics as we know them completely break down. No singularity. There is no event horizon. Just an exotic structure shrouded in mystery. Unlike black holes, which collapse into a single point of infinite density, a singularity, a gravastar might form when a collapsing star halts just before reaching that point. Instead of collapsing completely, it creates a shell of ultra-dense material around a strange core of pure energy or vacuum. And here's where it gets really weird. Unlike black holes, gravastars might not consume everything. Instead, they could repel matter, sending it away like a cosmic shield. Gravastars are still hypothetical. Black holes create paradoxes. They seem to destroy information when something falls in, and their singularities defy the laws of physics. Gravastars could be the answer. Instead of destroying information, they might store it in that strange quantum vacuum at their core. They don't collapse infinitely, they rewrite the rules. And here's the craziest part. Some of the objects we've identified as black holes might be gravastars. Think about it. They're almost impossible to tell apart. Both are invisible. Both have immense gravitational pulls. But gravastars don't trap light forever. They might release faint, ghostly radiation over time. Have astronomers already seen gravastars without realizing it? Could some of the mysterious signals we've detected be coming from these strange cosmic twins? Gravastars aren't just fascinating theories. If they exist, they could redefine everything we know about the universe. They might hold clues to solving the greatest mysteries in physics, from the origins of the universe to the future of space and time itself. So, what do you think? Are gravastars real? Or are they just wild ideas born from the imaginations of scientists? Could they be the hidden architects of the cosmos, silently watching us from the shadows? If you're fascinated by the mysteries of space, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Cosmic Chronicles. Let us know in the comments. Do you believe gravastars could be real? Or do black holes still reign supreme as the ultimate monsters of the cosmos? The truth is waiting to be uncovered.